pede de treta, os amigos chegam, amigo pede de treta. Tira do coach, levanta a mão, joga a pistola pra cima. Vai, joga, vai, joga, joga, vai, joga, vai, joga, joga.
Hey guys, I'm so tired and I didn't want to do this room tour. But due to the fact that I really have to do it, I thought I should do it. So guys, this is my room. I had to use this fish eye so that I could capture everything. And I feel like it's not clear enough or something is wrong somewhere. So first off, this is my bathroom here in Casa. So this is what it looks like. So this is the sea view room. So I think I've stayed in the lake view. I would say I prefer the bathroom at the lake view to this bathroom because it's very spacious. So there you have a bed. You have 2 towels. This is like towel I came with. You have one for the floor, and you have 2 cups. And that's my toothbrush. I came with it obviously. And this is your mouthwash, or in case you don't come with your toothpaste, that's supposed to be your soap. And these are like essentials I came with. This is for my 12 group. I usually give them souvenirs, so this is like souvenirs for them. I just came packed like a few things for my, what do I call it? Whatever they call it. I just came with them. Basically, we just start the tour. That's my box. I'm trying to unpack. That's my wardrobe, my television, little basket, my bed, obviously. So I was just taking you guys through everything. So I kind of like the color in this room. Like, it's very beautiful. I love this pale green. It's sweet. My doll, obviously. And yeah, my shit. And I have this little chair I could sit, and I have the lights, which obviously I think turned out. How does this work? Okay, I think I have a little switch here to turn this on, which I feel like it should be turned on while I do this video. So these are like t-shirts for everybody who is traveling with me, and a cute little bag for my whatever. This is a gift from my mother. She gave it to me. And this is the other lamp. So this one is okay. It's on. Like, it looks really beautiful now. And just another area. So this is apparently my mirror. Yeah, I don't look so good, but that's my mirror. My bathroom, obviously. You've been there. So this is my wardrobe. I just packed a few things there. I've not put everything. My shoes, some packs, some things, makeup, and some essentials. And obviously they have television. I just had to put my switch just to do what I want to do. They have the remote controls there, like money, cash. Like, you literally need cash. You need cash, trust me when I say you need cash. And this is supposed to be worn tomorrow. I got a little cute glass because I want to create content. My speakers, no boring moment. And this is like a dustbin. So let's try to turn this on. I know they basically don't have channels that speak English. This is like French. I'm trying to turn this shit on right now. So CNN, you can